So I talked about this stock in the month of December as well as in the month of January, and it has already moved by 280% since then. And the way the stock has moved, and more specifically, if you are looking at these two green candles, it is indicating that we are going to see some big upside even from this current level, and that's what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of Seanergy Maritime Holding, and I would suggest you to check my previous video along with this video where we are going to look and discuss the trend ahead. So one important thing here is about the price, because I think it's not adjusted properly into the charts. That's why you can see the chart looks a bit distorted. So there's a big gap here and here, and the price is showing like 12,000 or something. So the price, it's not adjusted properly. Maybe you can write it down in the comments, but it won't hamper our analysis because we are focusing on the trend, and the price we are looking at, it's not going to be like 12,000, so you need not to bother about that. We look things in a way which suits us and which suit the trend as well. So anyhow, which if something not look realistic, we are eventually not going to talk about that. So having said that, first of all, this is a long-term trend, and uh, it's suggestible to check my previous videos so that you can actually get a sense how the trend has evolved in the last 2 or 3 months. Now, having said that, so the first thing you need to look at will be this one. Okay, so this is the support, or so this is the support which you need to look at, because this is not only a support but also a stop loss, and if the stock falls below 0.95, there is no need to carry any further position on the downside. And let me tell you that this quoting at $2, so 0.95 is like more than 50%, okay, on the downside. So be mindful of that, because the upside is so sharp in the last 2 months that there is, you cannot find, because one thing you need to remember, it doesn't matter how good or how superb the stock is, according to you, according to market, according to everybody, but the faster the rise, the sharper the fall. So that's the main thing you need to understand, and it is applicable for everything, because business doesn't die in a day and it makes money 365 days. But when you're talking about stock price, you should know the dynamics of the stock price and how it's working. Okay, having said that, so on the downside you have a 0.95 as your last resort, and on the upside, on the upside for the time being, you have following levels on the upside. So you have a first target in the form of $6, and then you have $9. Okay, and if on and only if the stock crossed and sustained above $9, then we can actually look at or talking about $21 or $24. But don't think about these two levels for the time being. Okay, so this is for the long term, that's why I'm saying, but it is completely conditional. And the two levels that we are going to look at for the time being, and which is realistic, first will be $6, second will be $9. Okay, and if the stock sustain above $9, then we are going to talk about 21 or 24. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.